So Sally, as I was driving down here today, I literally could see the panels against the red brick roof with the black cladding and whatnot, and they look fantastic.
Yeah,
they really do. You know,
I think that's one of the things that you do worry about because, you know, it's a big thing, isn't it? And it's like, if you don't like it, they look horrible, you know, with no turning back. So I think that was probably one of the first things that when, you know, we were talking about solar, but what they're going to look like, are they going to fit in? Because we're in a very lucky, we're in a beautiful environment and, you know, people do see it from the road as they walk through or driving down. And actually, I think it complements the house, to tell the truth. I think because we've got the black cladding, I think it actually complements it.
Yeah, I think if you had a dark tile, you wouldn't see they were there, and and the black with the terracotta and the black, I think they look fantastic.
No, really pleased, and not worried about that whatsoever.
And I think that's one of the things that we do take pride in as well, is making sure that aesthetically they're located where they're going to look the best on a building, and not just put them on slapdash, you know.
And I think and all the bits that clip onto it all fit in. You know, you haven't got like bright silver that stands out or anything. It's just really smooth. And it looks like it's been there for years.
Amazing.
Part of the design.
Fantastic.